Welcome back to my channel, it's JusMeLah and I. Welcome back to my channel, it's JusMeLah and I.
Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm reviewing the makeup products in the COSMETIPS by Patricia Bright beauty box. If you want to see my thoughts, then keep on watching. So I have a few new makeup products. I got the COSMETIPS by Patricia Bright beauty box, and so I'm going to use some of the things in here. Let's see what Patricia Bright said. Hello, Hey, darlings.
I'm so excited to finally show you guys what I've been working on. I'm just a girl who loves makeup and I can't wait for you.
I really appreciate you guys. Let's be rich in color and rich in life, darlings. I hope you enjoy the goodies. X. So I'm feeling like I want to use this today. I don't know. I might try this. Oh, I might use this lip. It's NARS. I might use that. Oh, I'm definitely going to use the blush because somebody commented on my video and said that this is like a holy grail. And I don't think I've ever used it. And I'm going to use these brushes. So first things first, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color Ash Brown. A NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil. Okay, let's move on. So I'm going to, my mascara. I'm using the Kat Von D mascara, Go Big or Go Home. I like it. Before this, I was using the Dior Show Pump and Volume. And I like this Kat Von D one better. So I wanted to re-moisturize my skin because when I do my foundation, I don't want it to look super matte. And the foundation I'm going to be using is a matte foundation. So I'm going to spray my face and then apply some oil to help make the foundation be more sheer or skin-like. So this is my spray bottle. All right, so okay, definitely with my face. And I have some some olive oil in a bottle with some tea tree oil. I'm just going to let's get back into these eyebrows. I take my Pantene concealer and I put a small dab on my hand. I'm going to dip that in my concealer. All right, let's get into this palette. It's so pretty or whatever, you know. These are the colors. So I'm going to use the color Demure right here for my base. So now what am I gonna do? Ooh, I have pink eyes. This so doll face right here, this pink. I'm bringing it up to like the crease area because I want my eyes to look big. You know? See the difference between this eye and this eye? I do. So I'm gonna make this eye look like this eye. I'm gonna go in with Risque. This color right here. In my crease. I'm going in with 24K, that gold color. So now, let's do some cocoa to try and warm this up. Cocoa. My eye hurts from rubbing on it. Oh, that hurts. I'm gonna line with black. Let's try and clean up this up here. Just using a precision smudge brush to blend all of this stuff. See the difference? Unblended, blended. I'm going back in with Doll Face, which is this pink right here. Okay. Let's add rose gold to the equation. This is rose gold. Yeah, see what she gives. It's okay. Okay, I'm gonna move on to my foundation. Use my Fenties. We have Latte, which I'm gonna use as my foundation, Rum for highlight, and Truffle for contour. So I'm gonna use the new brushes from Patricia's Box with Cosmetips. And this is Spectrum Zodiac, a 5-piece face brush set. So I'm going to use their foundation brush, this one. This eye looks crazy, like seriously? Looks better. Okay, so that's the foundation. It's beautiful. It's like I didn't put any on because it looks just like my skin, which is why I like it. Contour or concealer? Let's do contour. So is there a contour brush? Sure bit. Oh, it's blush and contour. It's angled. I can see it as contour and blush. So it's Truffle. And I'm gonna use my bronzer for my forehead because I want it to look warm, not cool. I'm gonna use this for my bronzer also. So we're gonna go in with this Malika palette by Becca Cosmetics with Malika and Becca. Chloe and Malika came out with a palette together with Becca Cosmetics. So there's a Chloe one and then a Malika one.
I got the Malika one.
I'm gonna go in with this color right here to bronze. Okay, so now I haven't even done. I'm gonna do my highlight first. I'm gonna highlight with my Fenty Beauty. So just put some on my hand. I never apply it like this, so if it comes out bad, it's because this is wrong to do. I'm going to use this instead. And I'm going to just apply it right on my face. Please turn out good. Stupid sponges, I don't like them. Okay, sponges is a no for me. What else can I do? Highlight. Even though I look very highlighted already because I am a whole bunch of oil on my face, but I still will go in with my rum. I should have used the Malika and Chloe. I'm gonna use this highlight brush. I'm a survivor. Yeah, it's finger blending way better than the sponge. I'm trying to keep most of the concealer closer to the inside of my face. When I bring it too wide, it makes my face, I don't know. I just like it in here. Beautiful. Does this look okay? It's hard for me to tell. This side looks flawless, okay? Bag wear. Where's a bag? Who got bags? We don't got bags. Then I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy L'Oreal True Match. crayon concealer. And I'm going to brighten it more. I'm putting it, so I have bags. I'm gonna put it on the line of the bag. So like where the bag separates from the rest of my face. Try and make it not be so baggy. I'm going to put that same crayon concealer down my nostril, no, down the bridge of my nose. Bloop. I want this to go bloop. And I'm gonna put some here. Just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna contour my nose with my Fenty Matchstick and Truffle. I'm going to use this brush that I use for my crease on my eyes. I'm just wiping it off. It's so cute. I love that part. So cute. Okay, now we're gonna put that Laura Mercier on my face. This is the powder brush, so I'm gonna use this under my eye. So I guess I'm not baking, I'm just gonna set. And let's do my blush now. So we're using the NARS and Orgasm. I think this is the blush and the contour brush. So, whoa, I'm nervous. I don't be doing blush, son. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, please come on looking fine. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm using the NARS liquid lipstick in the color Slow Ride. Oh, this is pretty. I overlined by accident, but this is cute. So I need to go back into my huddle. You can see I'm over this. I'm ready to be done. It's taking mad long. I'm gonna go on with some of that black. Okay, so that's matte black. Okay. Why? Why would I put black down there? Like, who does that? Let's cover this up. Okay, so now that I've removed that was on my face, that stuff that was on my face, I'm gonna just go in with the brown, with the cocoa color, and use that. I'm gonna add some of Risque. I guess that's better. And I'm gonna just put some earrings on. So I don't know how crazy I look on camera, but in person I look super crazy. It's something I wanted to do. I don't know, but I look mad crazy. I would not go out like this at all. It look gunky as hell. I was gonna add more mascara because the eyeshadow muted it a lot with the fallout. Okay. This is the finished look, and my thoughts are this. The Huda palette, I love it. It's full of goodies. I can't wait to go on with this bottom row. Oh, it's just so many things you can do. I just like it so much. So Huda is a thumbs up for me. Using it again. The Mercier. I mean, I'll give this a try again. I suppose if I'm going out and I need to do a full beat face. Okay, what else? The NARS blush. I mean, it was cool. I'm not mad at it. Like, yay for the blush. The lippy, I love this lip color. It's probably not the best color to wear with this look, but I think this is so cool. And, ¿qué más? Oh, the brushes. I liked the brushes. I liked all of the ones I used. I only used 4. The one I didn't use is this. I don't know what to do with it. It's called a Luxe paddle brush. So I don't know what you do with a Luxe paddle brush. But everything else, like these. What else did I try? I think that's it. Okay. This is the final look. Hope you have fun. Like, hit that bell notification so I don't gotta keep telling you when I upload a video. You just know. But of course, I'll tell you anyway. And thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Peace.